All right, let's see where I am. It looks dangerous, but I have experience with such places. All right. It's very, very steep slope. Right, so this is the road to Devon, the town of Devon, and this is the Rhodope Mountain with its amazing curvatures of the ridges. I love this mountain. Here is the road to the Vrbovo village, where I was coming after work to make some videos here for YouTube and for TikTok. I hope you like this view. I'm going to make a couple of more videos. So this is a kind of a by the roads stone. Oh, check these plants. So these are cucumber plants or something. And these are the beach, small beach woods, small beach trees. You can see them. They're young but ramified. All right, here is my car over here by the road, and I'm gonna go up to the road to make some more videos, guys. Well, it's super hot in the mountain. It's about maybe 36 degrees. No, I'm sorry, it's about 30 degrees. But yet it's hot. Maybe I'm very sweaty. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you don't subscribe, subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, if you like to watch more videos from this mountain, I want to thank you all for the support of my channel on YouTube and everybody else who supports me online. Well, over there is Hristo Hvoynev village, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.